fish.
My buddy ate his last time. We got it on camera.
Pretty dope. Are you supposed to be a meat-eating heart?
Yeah. Fisherman's trout. Supposed to be good
Come on,
luck.
man. Man up. Man up.
Fuck it, Blake. If you're lucky, you're gonna catch more fish. That's what you found. You eat it, you catch more fish.
Here he goes. The heart of the tuna. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. There you go, buddy.
Yeah. One with the
Yeah,
skinny.
now he's a real tuna
We were
fisherman.
just fucking with you. We're not supposed to eat that shit.
That's nasty, man. What the fuck?
That's what you're thinking, Blake. You listen to us.
Right on, brother. Get the spirit of the fishing, you know.
No, it tastes like nothing. It tastes like